Greetings and welcome. This is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. As we close 2024, oftentimes I'm asked, what do you do at Remember Veteran Grave Markers? Well, frankly, since it's really me doing the work, I go out and I identify headstones and grave markers that need help. And I clean them, I videotape them, and I represent them to you. Not just to say, here's something, but to hopefully inspire others to do the same, not only for veteran gravestones, but also to their families, because families are also extremely important. As for Remember Veteran Grave Markers, it's in our name. Remember Veteran Grave Markers. So we look at the government furnished headstones, usually marble and granite. So we take care of those, but we don't take care of all of them. The reason is that it's only really a small group of people, namely me. So it requires you to step up and do something. And whether you do it in Lucas County, where Remember Veteran Grave Markers is out of, or if you do them any place in the United States or around the world where there are veteran grave markers, you're doing something for that person and all veterans. And that's extremely important. I want to bring to your attention the condition that I'm specifically focusing on for this year to present to you, and that is grave markers, which are flat, that are being covered over by dirt or grass. So they're becoming slowly engulfed into the ground. So you need to do something about that by trimming around the stone, edging the stone, and perhaps, if necessary, working with a cemetery to lift that stone so that it can stay, up and be below the mowers, because they're going to use the mowers over this, but also available so people can see it. The Toledo Memorial Garden or Cemetery in Sylvania has a lot of these where I'm going to describe, but all of the cemeteries in not only the United States, but also Lucas County has this condition with grave markers. There's the flat ones. That's important. So edging, cleaning is extremely important for the markers. For the headstones, which are the upright ones, oftentimes it is sufficient enough just to clean it with a mild soap and water, and I describe that in other videos that I produce. Take a look at that. The soap that I use is Orvis, but I follow the regimen that is described by the Department of Veterans Affairs for all headstones and grave markers. So whatever I do, I follow the orthodox way of being able to take care of these things. And I ask you to do the same, is that if you're going to follow what I say, do what I say so that you do it correctly. Always, always, always do it correctly. If things work out well this year, we also will have possibly a presentation done at multiple libraries in Lucas County where I'm going to be talking about identifying headstones and also cleaning headstones. So you might be able to come out and learn something when I do these presentations. So we're really excited about that for 2025. So with that being said, you can do something. So look at 2025 for yourself as you're making out your plans for 2025, is that I am going to go to a cemetery, find a headstone, and work on it. If you do one, that's just one more veteran that's being taken care of. If you could do more, or if you could be in a group, you could do that. If you need help in being able to further understand what needs to be done, please let me know. My information is available online through Remember Veteran Grave Markers, whether it's on YouTube or on Facebook, either way. So with that being said, Happy New Year, take care, and do the right thing by preserving, honoring, and remembering our veterans by cleaning their headstones and grave markers. So remember to like, subscribe, and share the videos. This helps us promote this cause so that we can reach out to more people. Take care. God bless. Until next time.